I had never eaten such delicious chicken. You're going to love it too. I have 2 chicken breasts cut in half prepared, and I'm going to cover them with plastic wrap and use a culinary mallet to pound all the pieces well. After that, I'll remove the plastic and transfer all the pieces to a bowl. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. I'll also add a bit of olive oil. Now, I'll mix everything with my hands. You will be surprised by the result of this recipe. I've prepared a pan with some olive oil, and I'll add a chopped onion and a grated carrot. I'll use this spatula to mix everything. When you prepare chicken recipes at home, what ingredients do you like to add? Let me know. I would love to hear. I'll transfer these mixed ingredients to this bowl over here. I'm sure you're finding this method quite simple. There's no way to mess it up, and it will turn out perfectly in the end. I'll also add 200 grams of shredded mozzarella to give the flavor a special touch. 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. I love making recipes with cheese, so I'll add plenty of it. 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 cloves of garlic. I'll mix everything with a spoon. This recipe is perfect for when you don't have much time to cook, and it will impress your family with a delicious dinner. In a bowl, I'll add 150 grams of shredded mozzarella and also 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese. I'll mix again until it turns this color here. Mix until the ingredients are well combined, and I'll set it aside while I move on to the next step. I'll add the ingredients from the bowl that I've already prepared. I'm using a spoon to spread it well over all the chicken pieces. Make sure to spread it all over the chicken breasts. It's going to be delicious. Don't rush. If you have any doubts, just follow what I'm doing and the result will be perfect. At this stage, I'll roll all the pieces like this. You can repeat the process with the other pieces. It will look like this. Once you try it for the first time, you'll add it to your list of favorite recipes. Give it a try and let me know what you think. I'll transfer these pieces to another dish and you can place them all here. Now, I'll take the ingredients I prepared and place them over the chicken pieces. Look how nice it's turning out. This method is exclusive, and you'll only find these special tips here. If you're enjoying it, stay tuned so you don't miss any content. I'll use a spoon to spread it well over all the pieces. Once it's all well spread, I'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. After the time has passed, it's ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. The smell is so good that even your neighbors will comment on it. Now, just cut it, plate it, and enjoy this delicious meal. Don't forget to invite the family to taste it. Now that you've learned these wonderful tips, you can prepare an amazing dinner for your friends and family. I guarantee they'll all love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.